Hey, what's up guys? I'm out here with my RC Pro Shredder 1/12 scale brushless bad boy. All right, hopefully you guys saw the on-road and the off-road, including the unboxing and stuff. So yeah, this thing is dangerous, man. This thing is wicked, pretty fast, and I'm gonna do the GPS run, all right, with my Sky RC GPS meter. All right guys, let's do this. Let me go all the way down there. All right, try to keep this thing straight. All right, not bad. Keep this thing straight. Somebody on here? Almost ran over somebody. All right. Let's go. I'm better going this way. I think I am anyway. Alright. Okay. A lot of people are coming. Let me just test this thing. Alright. Okay, let's test it. Alright, it was at 0. Let's test the mode. 57 kilometers an hour. 57. You guys see that? That's not bad. Let's see if we can beat that, guys.
Modified?
Oh, no.
Is that just like that?
Yeah, just like that. Alright.
Oh, wow.
That's fast. We can hit 60, guys. This thing's supposed to be able to go 80 on 3S. And I'm definitely gonna try that with my 3S battery. What the heck? Alright, let's go. Don't hit anybody. He's right there. Alright. I'm better coming this way anyways. Alright, let's go. All the way down there. It's an oval track, guys. That's why I'm going in the grass all the time. That's my excuse. Alright. Let's see if we beat that. 57, still 57. Focus on that. 57. Not bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Definitely gonna do a 3S run with this one. Later.